Ben, yeah, we should be done in an hour or something, no?
Yeah, I think we'll probably just go through until it's finished, I think.
Right on. Okay, brother. Yeah, it's looking good. Really loving the clone 5. Now we're going to go destem the clone 6. I like being on the sorting table because you get the chance to see the quality of the grapes, the quality of the bunches, berries. It's a really cool time. I really enjoy that. Now we're going to start destemming clone 6 and then putting it into the amphora. This should be really, really cool. We're going into the destemmer now. Right on, let's do some sorting. It's funny, these little bits where the birds have eaten, you might think that it's not good quality, but actually the birds eat the ripest fruit. Only the best, little buggers.
System you change because the thing is not ripe.
So this is not ripe, so we're not going to use it. Whoa, this is really cool. So right now we're loading my amphora with clone 6 that are ungrafted vines. We ran it through the destemmer, so you can see there's no stems. There's juice. So this is about a ton. So that's our last spin of Pinot Noir. I'm really happy. The harvest came out really well. The grapes look immaculate, super easy to sort. They have a wonderful ripeness and freshness. I think they're going to make some beautiful wines. As you can see, here are 2 bins. These are all clone 5. Maybe that has a little bit of 6. But anyways, I'm really have high hopes for this. And I'm going to really enjoy watching them ferment.